There was a Christmas years ago that I will never forget. Anonymous sent me this story, and I wanted to share it with you because it's quite important. The power went out, the lights died, the house went silent, phones stopped working, internet was gone. It felt like the entire world just shut off. And for a moment, it didn't feel like Christmas at all. It felt like a warning because when everything went dark, I reached for the only thing that still worked, my radio. I keyed the mic, not expecting much, but someone came back. Then somebody else. Then a familiar voice checking on neighbors. Someone reporting the outage. Another offering their generator. People I'd never met, all showing up because that's what radio operators do. And in the middle of that silence, on a Christmas night, with no electricity, no Wi-Fi, no notifications, no distractions, a community came alive. That night taught me something I've never forgotten. Technology fails. The grid fails. Networks fail. Radios don't. But here's the problem. Today, many repeaters that used to be alive on Christmas night are now silent. The voices that used to fill the local nets are gone. The guys who checked in every holiday, a lot of them aren't with us anymore. People don't talk like they used to. The airwaves aren't buzzing with Christmas cheer. They're barely buzzing at all. And that silence, it's growing. The radios went silent isn't just a memory. It's happening now all over the country. But it doesn't have to stay that way. This Christmas, key up. Turn the radio on. Call CQ. Check into a net. Start a conversation with someone who might be alone. Because you have no idea whose speaker you might bring to life or whose night you might change. And if you've never been licensed before or thinking about getting in the hobby, now is the perfect time. Ham Radio Prep is the great place to start. They're so confident they can help you pass your technician, your general, or your extra class exam. They offer a money-back guarantee. See website for details, hamradioprep.com, and use coupon code HamShackTV for 10% off. We appreciate Ham Radio Prep. A radio is more than a gift. It's a lifeline, a tradition, a piece of community that refuses to die. And we need more people keeping it alive. Please use my affiliate links down below for radio gear. I personally recommend Better Safe Radio is a great option, as well as the Amazon link down below for anything you might find on Amazon. But I really like Better Safe Radio. The radios come pre-programmed, and I can offer you a discount code AA4WX7. You get 7% off any order over $100. I also want to thank you to everyone who uses those links because you keep HamShackTV running. This Christmas, don't contribute to the silence. Break it. I'm Josh, AA4WX. Merry Christmas, and as always, live, learn, transmit. Welcome to the Shack. Again, thank you so much for subscribing, liking, and leaving those comments. And appreciate Anonymous for sending me that story. Quite interesting stuff. Merry Christmas. We'll see you in the next one. 73 AA4WX, WSCB 690.